Hello mga kabibig, welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay ng YouTuber sa balat ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglabak-labak na tao with evidence. Nako, takot pala itong si Sara Diskaya. Nag-attend sa Senate hearing ngayon. Mga hindi dumating na mga owner ng kontraktista, ipapasupina na, ipapapulis. Maganda yan mga kabibig. Ngayong araw na to ang pagpapatuloy ng Blue Ribbon Committee kung saan dumating si Sara Diskaya, ang president at may-ari ng Alpha Omega General Contractor and Development Corporation, present sa pagdinig ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee ukol sa maanomalyang flood control projects. Napaka-exciting ito kabibig kasi malalaman na natin kung sinong mga politiko ang nasa likod ng mga maanomalyang flood control projects. Ang tanong, meron bang ipapasabog itong si Sara Diskaya? Meron kaya siyang politikong ipapasabog ang pangalan sa araw na ito? Kaya maraming tao ngayon, kahit may trabaho yung ibang tao, ay nanunood.
We now
Sa Diskaya yun ha,
we now
Ay, nag-snap si ate. Nag-snap si ate Sara Diskaya dyan. Parang, ewan ko kung ano ang pakiramdam niya ngayon. Parang isnap-isnap ang pagmumukha. Hindi maipinta ang pagmumukha. Kasi parang takot na yata. Kung ako si Sara Diskaya, no, kung ano yung nalalaman ko, kung sino yung mga contractor, yung sino yung nakipag-deal sa akin, ibubulgar ko para matapos na itong flood control project. Kasi mas lalong makontempt itong si Sara Diskaya kung magsisinungaling. Knowing si Marcoleta, hindi yan mapapaano sa kanyang investigasyon. Kung si Sara Diskaya ang magsisinungaling, alam niya ni Marcoleta. Ngayon ay nagsimula na talaga ang tawag dito, ang Senate hearing sa Blue Ribbon Committee hinggil sa flood control. At merong mga owner na hindi dumating. 'Di ba? So ipapasupina na. Kailangan na talaga nilang dumating at panagutin at tanungin. O, ito kabibig ha, ito yung party lang.
Divestment yun. Kaugnay na rin po namin dito ang Bureau of Immigration and Deportation. We have requested the immediate issuance of Immigration Lookout Bulletin Orders.
Lookout na yan ha.
Kailangan naming malaman kung sino ang mga nagbabalak na tumakbo para umiwas sa pananagutan.
Nako, may mga tumakbo na daw.
Meron din po kaming informal discussion sa Anti-Money Laundering Council.
Nako, yan na.
Sila po ay nakahanda rin at ang kanila pong assurance sa amin, minomonitor po nila ang ginagawa nating proceedings.
Good.
At kinakailangan lang nila ang isang formal letter. Pero kahit wala pa po yun, nagmo-monitor na sila at nag-uumpisa na sila.
Ganda yan.
Kami po humihingi ng tulong sa kanila para matrack natin ang financial flows that may have been used to keep the operations of these contractors appearing very, very clean. Ang pera ng taong bayan ay hindi dapat nagiging daan para sa pandaraya.
Correct.
Sa Insurance Commission din po ay nakikipag-ugnayan kami para po ma-regulate po ninyo yung pag-i-issue ng mga surety bonds or performance bonds. Sila yung mag-guarantee po sa pagkukumpleto ng mga projects. Hindi po ba kailangan ninyo ang notice of termination and declaration of default bago ninyo makolekta sa DPWH and performance bonds? Yung Commission on Audit po, talagang malaki po ang aming inaasahan sa inyo. Nag-special fraud audit kayo. Nasaan na po yung fraud audit na inaanunsyo ninyo? Sabi nga po ni Senator Migs nung nakaraang hearing, we must address the elephant in the room.
Correct.
Meron pong, ito po, allegation lang, kailangan din nating malaman. Yung asawa po ng isang commissioner ng COA po ay isang contractor din. Wala po tayong conclusion dito. Lahat po sana ito ay maayos nating ma-imbestiga lahat. Kasi parang may conflict of interest nga naman doon. Paano i-audit po yung trabaho po ng contractor.
Correct.
Nakikita po namin yung mga pattern. Puro pangako naman yung paggagawa ng investigation. Yun pong concentration ng 100 billion sa kontrata among the 15 contractors is not a statistical anomaly. It is evidence of systemic manipulation of our procurement process. Hindi po ito aksidente, hindi ito kaguluhan lang. Ito ay sistematikong pandarambong sa taong bayan.
Correct.
Sa hearing po nito, we demand the following. Complete disclosure of all ghost projects, not selective admissions.
Agoy, magkaalam
Full
talaga.
identification of officials responsible for GAA insertions. Comprehensive reporting on regulatory compliance and oversight failures. Immediate action on immigration lookout bulletins.
Dami.
Transparent cooperation with anti-money laundering and internal revenue investigations. Concrete measures for conflict of interest resolution. Decisive administrative action against complicit officials for feature of performance or surety bonds as necessary. Sa lahat po ng mga opisyal at ibang resource persons na nandito ngayon, huwag ninyo kaming subukan. Ang taong bayan po ay nagbabantay.
Correct.
At hindi namin po tatanggapin ang mga dahilan at palusot.
Good. Yan.
This committee's patience with bureaucratic stonewalling has reached its limit. We expect substantive answers, truthful answers, concrete actions, and genuine accountability. The Filipino people have suffered long enough under a system that allows a select few to profit while communities drown in floods and could have prevented with properly implemented projects. Ang katotohanan na hindi pwedeng itago, ang hustisya ay hindi pwedeng ipagdiwang. I now call upon the resource persons to come forward and fulfill their obligations to this committee and to the Filipino people. Maraming salamat po.
Si Sara Diskaya yan di ba?
We now, Director General, we now to consider the motu proprio inquiry in aid of legislation on the Philippines underwater. We need to acknowledge the witnesses and resource persons.
Ito na mga witnesses and resource person na to. Nandyan kaya si Mayor Magalong, no? Saan na naimbitahan? Kasi si Mayor Magalong, marami siyang mga ebidensya, marami siyang hawak na impormasyon. So mas maganda yun na
Mr. Chairman, may I proceed?
Proceed, Director General.
From the Commission on Audit, we have Ms. Tracy Ann Sunico representing the Chairman. She is Acting Assistant Director, Cluster 4, Defense and Security, National Government Audit Center, Bulacan 1st District Engineering Office. Mr. Wilfredo Natividad,
ito na Marbella,
888 Construction Supply Inc. Mr. Romeo Miranda, President AMO Royal Crown Monarch Construction and Supplies Corporation. Ms. Marjorie Samidan, President MG Samidan Construction. Mr. Ryan Willie D. Uy, Proprietor Road Edge Trading and Development Services. Mr. Alvin Diego, Authorized Managing Officer, Silver Wolves Construction Corporation. Ms. Melanie Raimundo, Authorized Managing Officer of Raymond Builders. Your Honor, we also have here the presence of Mr. Mark Alan Arevalo, General Manager of Wawaw.
Nandiyan na.
I'm from the DPWH.
Before that, where is the owner of Wawaw? Mr. Arevalo? Is he here? You come forward.
Yan na. Yan pala si Arevalo, yung nagbura ng website nila. Nako, si Wawaw. Wow. Ito na. Tinawag ni Jinggoy.
Is he the owner of the construction company?
His title is General Manager, Your Honor.
Special mention pa talaga. Hindi na lang umupo dyan. Parang kinakabahan ako ngayon, kabibig, sa Senate hearing.
Those are all that are present today, Mr. Chair.
Before we continue, let me acknowledge the presence of Senator Bato de la Rosa.
Yes, nandiyan siya Senator Bato.
You may want to administer the oath of other respondents who may not have taken their oath in the
Yes, Your Honor.
last hearing.
Your Honor, before the oath, I would like also to inform that there are about 4 or 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 contractors against whom subpoenas were served, but they are not here right now.
Oh.
Can you please, Mr. Secretary, with all due respect, Mr. Chair, can you please mention the names of those
Maria-
who aren't here yet?
Yes, Your Honor, if I may proceed. Ms. Maria Roma Angeline Armando,
Oh.
owner-manager, St. Timothy Construction Corporation. His subpoena was served on August 22nd. Mr. Iomir Villanueva, president of Top Notch Catalyst Builders, Inc. Excuse me. His subpoena was served on August 22nd.
I think the other one is here. Go
Okay.
forward.
Mr. Lawrence Lubiano, president, Center Waste Construction.
He's here, oh.
Nandiyan na
What
pala.
about those officials invited from the DPWH who are not here as of this moment?
Nakakaba mga kabibig, no?
Your Honor, before I go there, to complete the list, Aderma of SunWest is also not.
Sunwest, nandiyan na.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm the authorized officer, Your Honor, of Southwest
Authorized.
Inc.
Where is the owner?
Miss Alcaraz, the president, Your Honor,
Where
is
is she?
coming. She's
Where-
just a minute away, Your Honor.
Oh,
We cannot
pupunta.
accept representatives here.
Yes, Your Honor. She is arriving anytime now.
All right.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Yeah.
I noticed that some of these, they're not owners, Mr. Chair. They're like managing the officer, director, president.
Mhm.
Can we invite the owners? Why? I mean, this is a full-blown hearing, and yet they only send representatives. We want, Mr. Chair, if possible, I manifest that we invite them here or subpoena the owners, not these representatives, Mr. Chair, because there will be questions we'll be asking later that they won't be able to answer.
Correct, may
Mr.
punto
Chair.
din si
They
Tulfo.
might tell us like, papaalam pa sa ganito, kakausapin namin. We need the owners here,
Correct
the
din,
proprietors, Mr. Chair.
That's correct, Your Honor. I think we made clear from the beginning that those invited are the owners or beneficial owners of this initial 15 construction companies, although they are not limited to 15, I suppose. So kung kayo po ang dumating, representative lang kayo, sana meron kayong dala-dala na dokumento na kayo ay makapagsasalita in their behalf na ang sasabihin nyo will bind the company. Okay din sa amin yun. Pero kung wala kayong ganon, pasensya na po, ang kailangan dito talaga ay yung may-ari na talagang sasagot sa mga tanong namin. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, isa pa, sabi po ng DG po natin, Director General, meron po yatang 4 na pinadala na sa PINA pero hindi pa rin po sumipot.
What is the pleasure of the body in connection with those recalcitrants?
Yan na.
I move, Mr. Chair, that we issue a warrant of arrest for
Warrant
these people
of arrest?
who refuse to attend despite the fact that we have already sent a subpoena, Mr. Chair.
I second the motion.
There's a motion to issue warrant of arrest to those invited resource persons. And the second, the motion is adopted.
Mr. Chair, may I know who else from the Department of Public Works who were invited but are not here as of this moment?
So yun kabibig, parang madugo ang araw na ito kasi magkaalaman na talaga ang tanong kung may ibubulgar ba itong mga owner na mga contractors mga kabibig, kung meron ba sila ibubulgar ang mga politiko, mga mga district, engineer district, mga kabibig na kalirkit. So manood tayo later on mga kabibig ha, at magbibigay ako ng mga latest information hinggil dito sa kung sino ang mga content, kung sino ang magsisinungaling, kasi alam naman ng mga senador na halata nila ang mga taong sinungaling. So yun lang po muna kabibig. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye everyone. See you next time.